We are here on the 7th floor at the Bay Lake Tower at Disney's Contemporary Resort at Walt Disney World in Lake Buena Vista, Florida. This is the 7th floor elevator lobby right here. And there's the view. Now let's go through the guest hallway, shall we? Right over here is the service elevator, which the swing fire door to it is not locked, but however the elevator itself is sadly locked. So we cannot call it. Right there goes to the rear door of it. But anyway, we're going to be doing a room tour of room 7741 at the South Tower, at the Bay Lake Tower, at the Contemporary. This building opened in 2010, I believe. I believe it started around 2009. This is a 2-bedroom, 3-bathroom suite. Here's the door to get in. Now let's enter, shall we? So when you enter the room, you have the door to the one of the bathrooms, the only bathroom in the hallway, closet, which I'm not going to show you that for privacy reasons, and a Mickey Mouse drawing. And right over here is your fuse box. So go ahead and open that up. Here's your fuses. Here's stuff on the door. It's necessary for regulations. Also be doing a room tour of another room here later on. Here's your fire map. That's funny. See? That's the only thing you guys should be interested in. There's your deadbolt. Actually, this is your deadbolt. This is where the band reader is. You have this latch, so you can still peek. Or you can use that. You also have a deadbolt, which then you can open it all. Here's your whole light switch. You don't really need to demonstrate. We'll take a look at the bathroom. Very interesting sliding door to it. And this is the smallest bathroom out of all 3 bathrooms. So you have your corner sink here. I don't especially like that, although I don't really use this bathroom too much. There's a toilet. Here's your shower bath combo. And right up here is actually a fan, which a very useless sensor. I do not like that sensor at all. And fire sprinkler, towels, tissues. I'll turn it off. Now the shower light does not do the fan, but that light does do the fan, which is interesting. So I'll close it up. Now, the first bedroom we're going to be touring is my bedroom, which is just right at the entryway. That closet we're storing our luggage, which is smaller but deeper, I believe, and that one's wider. Now, here you come into the bathroom. You have your sink, mirror on the back, 2 fixtures there, fan right there, and another sliding door to the toilet and the shower bath combo. Pretty much similar to the other one, but a bit bigger. Nothing really too much for that one. And then right over here you have your LG flat screen TV with some storage, which I'm not using. Dressers right here. Trash can. Chair. You have your desk table. Here it's not really a desk though. Another chair for the table. Here you have your 2 queen-size beds with Mickey and Minnie drawings up there. See, that's the only bed I'm using. This bed's not in use. There's the nightstand. And note that alarm clock does not come with the room. That's mine. There's your phone. TV remote, which I do not like those kind of remotes because they kind of try to restrict TV. And here's one of the best parts. That's right, the balcony. I think this is unlocked. This door's very stiff. Here you go. Here's the view out the balcony. Right over there is North Tower. You have your putting golf courses, I believe. Fountain. Private swimming pool just for our building. Pool and fuse ball. Whatever that is. Right up there is the DVC lounge. There's a center. And that's where it's... Anyway, I don't know why it cut off. Here's the microwave. It's probably going to do it again. If it does, then I won't bother turning it back on. Here's the microwave. Here's all the cabinet space, refrigerator, freezer, stuff in there, that stuff. There's the sink. There's also lighting under there. There's your dishwasher, there's that. There's your huge Samsung flat screen. Balcony access. And that's going to be it for the room tour. I do find some interesting aspects to the room, such as the 2 closets in the second bedroom, probably, because this room can probably sleep up to like 4 to 6 children or something like that. And also, why isn't there a sliding door here? I don't understand it. There's a sliding door there, but you probably can't see it. And your interesting master bathroom, jacuzzi, tub layout with like the weird sliding doors where you can like get a view or something. And a tiny closet in the master bedroom. And also, you've had a lot of issues with our washer. As far as like a whatever they had. So anyway, got one last look, and that will be it for the tour. We are on the 7th floor again of the Bay Lake Tower at the Contemporary Resort, Walt Disney World in Lake Buena Vista, Florida. Now let's walk down the hallway again. Now we're going to be doing another room tour. This time we're going to be doing a room tour of another room. This is going to be a room tour of the room across the hall from ours, room 7740. This is my grandmother's room. This is just a studio room. The other one's 2 bedrooms, 3 baths. This one's just studio. And now, since my magic band does not work on this door, I did that. Now let's head on in. So that switch controls the hallway lights again. So you can have that thing, deadbolt, that, and your doorknob. This is exactly the same from the other room. Now this is also an adjoining room. See, this is interesting. This is also an adjoining room. The other room is not. This one is an adjoining room. So you open this door, and there's no doorknobs on the other side. This is goes to the other room, but we aren't using the other room, so no reason for that to be in use. So I'll close that up. Not sure why it wasn't locked. Alright. See, right as you enter to the right, here's the bathroom. Sink. There's 3 switches. Vanity lights. Fan and that light, and the shower light. Here's the shower bath combo. See, bathroom's very interesting except for the layout. Here's your closet again, double doors. And now, unlike the suite, unlike the 2 bed, unlike the suites, this just has a kitchenette rather than a full-size kitchen. Here's the kitchenette. Your storage up here. You have your other kind of storage. Your GE microwave. Other storage. Coffee maker was originally down there, but she moved it up there. Other shelving. Sunbeam toaster oven. And your interesting decoration there. It's tile. See? No garbage disposal, I don't think, which I find interesting. Actually, let's see. No garbage disposal. That's weird. I guess just because it's a kitchenette, not an actual kitchen. I'll turn this off. Now here's the. Yeah, we're actually getting packing right now. So here's the queen size bed, I believe. 2 nightstand lights. 2 small nightstands on each side. There's your phone, couch, and there's your TV. I'm not sure why the placement's weird. See, here's the. Here, this is exactly the same. Here's just a dresser, table, but not a desk. And now in the back of the room is a balcony. So I didn't go out on the balcony in the other room, I don't think, or maybe I did. I don't remember. There's a contemporary main building. See, this one has a different view. This one actually has a view of Bay Lake right in the courtyard of the building. There's the Four Seasons over there. Yeah, there we go. I got it to zoom. Sorry, it's not a very good zoom. It's just digital. Right there, that light building, that's the Four Seasons. I can probably zoom out. There's the docks. There's the contemporary pool and the shelter area. See, there's the main tower, walkway between this tower.